This Hirschi Realtors property video is presented by Sandy Hatzel. Gorgeous Craftsman Style Home. Located in the beautiful Floral Heights Historic Addition. This home has been restored to its original charm. Original hardwoods in the living room, hallway and bedrooms. Amazing kitchen with all new stainless steel appliances, new cabinets, butcher block style countertops, apron style stainless sink and shiplap. The 3 bedrooms are all of generous size and offer a walk-in closet in the master and a special ladies' nook for handbags or shoes. Relax in the deep claw-footed tub/shower combo in the hall bath that has been remodeled to fit the era of the home. This home has lovingly been restored and will make any family proud to call it their very own. For more information, review the details below or contact Sandy Hatzel at 940-692-8120.